What's good morning, guys? How you doing? Jeff with Strong Sun Stroke Removal. We're rolling out. Happy Friday, TGIF. We're gonna show you a little light day, what we got going on. You know, a little journey. So, yeah, look at it. It's foggy out. Looks crazy. It's cold. So, yeah, guys. With that being said, we're on our way to a storage facility. We actually landed this contract. It's with 10 different locations around the area, and man, it's a blessing. So we're going to do our first job for them. We're going to clean out 3 storage units, so stay tuned. Alrighty, guys. First one of the 3. I think this is the middle one. This might be the biggest one. So you can see here, we got cabinets, not full. What is this? All right, so this is what we got, guys. Got some old books and more old books. Any good stuff? Wow, look at these. Look how cool this is. Old records. We might save those. Never know what you might find, guys. Oh yeah, that's good clothes here. Oh, we got a new dolly here. That's some good stuff. Let's always do a quick little scan. We got a jet ski. We got a jet ski, guys. All right. So we'll get you guys some progress. All right, guys, little update. About 25 minutes in, we got the missus there. If this YouTube channel is gonna be successful, you gotta show them who the real worker is. So this is the first of 3rd. I'd say this is the middle one. Probably gonna still be close to a full trailer. So yeah, guys, give you an update. Here we are. All right, guys, leave this thing so clean, you can eat off of it. Boom, pow. All right, second unit here. Trailer's about 75% full, so we're just gonna toss some crap on. Try to minimize every single trip. Looks like this one's a lot of fluff, maybe a lot of bulky items. So we're just gonna toss some little shit in and get her done. We'll keep you guys updated. Remember, watch till the end of the video. I'm gonna drop some secret sauce on how we came across this contract and how you, small, big, 1 man, 20 man, how you can get yourself these contracts too to make you more money. Samir. What's up, ladies and gentlemen? So we're about wrapped up here with the 3 units. We were able to fit it in 2 full loads. And this is a 7x14 dump trailer with 48-inch sides or 36-inch sides, something like that. So we got it in 2 full loads, 3 units. 1 unit just had a fridge, so that's a wrap, guys. Yeah, so I'll let you know what we got paid, all that good stuff. Stay tuned. All right, guys, that was it. So we started, I'd say, what time we get there? 9:30. 9:30. What time is it right now? So it took us about 2.5 hours. It ended up being 2 full trailer loads with a fridge. And let's get into the juicy part. Let's get into the numbers. So for something like that, guys, we charged them $1,500 for the job we just did. And that's a disposal fee, everything included. So that gives you an idea, guys. If you get these contracts with these storage places, man, you can make a pretty good penny, you know? They got an unlimited budget. They're big, we're small. And so there's that. As far as, that's not what we're gonna profit. Probably about a few hundred on dump fees. So you get the gist. And then as far as, you know, how we got something like that, I'll give you guys the secret sauce, or kind of what I do. I'm sure maybe a lot of you guys do it or don't do it if you're starting or you're coming up. Have your paperwork right, man. Get legit. And it doesn't even cost that much. And quite frankly, it doesn't even take that much time. So get legit. So you want to start out, you always want to have a W-9 ready. Have your W-9 ready for tax purposes. Second, you want to have liability insurance, some kind of insurance liability. Look for a coverage, you know, coverage for you a couple million or something like that. There's plenty different websites, plenty different places. You can go local on the internet. Get some liability insurance and get a place that's easy to send and stuff like that. And then third, of course, have your business license. You know, if you're small, whatever, I'm sure everybody kind of has their business license. At one point we didn't. So get legit. Those are 3 things. Once you have those 3 things, get yourself a business card. Get business cards or a flyer, something like that. And the good old fashioned go door knocking. Not residential, but, you know, go to these storage facilities. Chances are they have their vendors. They have people that they're going to call. But it doesn't hurt to try. Say, if somebody doesn't show up, actually, that's how we ran into this one. They had somebody, they didn't show up. They kind of got flaky. And, you know, we were kind of next on the list. We had our paperwork. We had all that dialed in. All they had to do was give us a call. We're in the database. Hey, can you come down? Can you bid this? When can you do the job? Boom. So have your paperwork ready, man. Go into these storage places. There's all different types, big ones, little ones. There's so many different kinds. There's, you know, public storage, this, that. There's so many different names. So go in there, man. Ask to talk to the manager or whoever's working. Introduce yourself. Firm handshake. Look presentable. Try to have a uniform on. You know what I mean? Look the part. Look them in their eye. Make eye contact. I know it sounds corny, but every little thing matters, man. Every little impression. Give them a handshake, introduce yourself, give your stuff over, tell them you know you can do stuff. And then honestly, I'll give you another little tip what you can do. So say you haven't worked for these guys before and they say, okay, you know, they like what you're saying, they like what you're putting down, and they want you to bid a couple units. So I would always, for that first one, to get your foot in the door, and this is kind of what we do to kind of secure it, is, you know, give them a little deal, give them a little discount. You know what I mean? You know, that first time getting you in the door, give them a little discount. You don't got to make what you want, whatever. You know, charge something fair, and give them a little discount. That way, once you get your foot into the door, you know what I mean? Then you can kind of charge accordingly once you establish a good working relationship. You know what I mean? So don't try to come out and, you know, tax them or, you know, oh, I'm going to make this amount. You know, give them a fair deal. Give them a little discount. You know, that way they're, you know, both parties are happy. And like I said, once you get in, you establish that relationship, then you can kind of charge what you want. So that's kind of what I do too. You know, it's almost kind of like a thank you for choosing us and something like that. So yeah, we got into it, gave you some numbers. That way you can kind of, you know, put it all together, and gave you kind of, you know, it's not rocket science. It's not a secret. So yeah, and that's kind of how we do it as far as the storage is. You know, if you're slow, if you're busy, man, get out there. And like I said, and go there and knock on, you know, go introduce yourself, man, and go out there, man, and go get it. So yeah, guys, we're actually pulling up to the dump here. And that's kind of all we got for today, man. So, I mean, we're not complaining. Take the rest of the day off with the family, and that's, you know, that's the perks about junk removal. You can make as much money as you want. You can make, you know, a pretty damn good, you know, living. And yeah, stay tuned. Thank you, guys. This will be our second video. Like and subscribe if any of these tips helped you out. Let me know, man. But it's Jeff, and it's been a pleasure. See you guys.